My lovely truck drivers, I'm going to make you another lovely video. You see, this is a liquid or a cleaning metal for your front glass. I just lost every second drop, and I'm going to fill it with this one. So let's do it. So by Mercedes-Benz is here. So I think it's enough. So this is for cooling, and there was another one. So this is for all engine, and this is for making clean your front glass. You see? Yeah. So please subscribe my channel. Love you all. Take care of self. It's about minus, you see, minus 8 or 9 in Germany. Thanks a lot.